thinking about the day. And I'm wishing about that day. I'm thinking about that day. Oh, will you be my wifey?
I will be your wifey.
Oh, Chidima. The problem is that she not all. Oh. You know why I don't feel love her? I love that girl, but she now just our height be the issue.
Who get the sweetest height inside the 12 months?
I thought faster now. Where?
No. Chidima height fits her system. Your own height.
Okay, my height don't fit me.
Your own height be like Calabar height. You know that kind.
Familiarity, they say. Now you they say my height now no fits me now. Now you want marry me?
Again, Chidima height go with her.
How it go? You don't say as a flavor dwarf for the video.
Yes, Abeg, as an Asiam, we don't show again to your TV screen. We don't come again because that's how we come. At this actual time, 11 o'clock.
Now who they come?
What does that do?
But everything be on that level. That's how we come.
We don't know. We are here again. Which one mean that come?
I don't know.
But
I'm a young guy.
But minor joke, you don't know how they come. So
you
say na so me how they come. You don't talk like that. Tell them.
There are some things you don't say in public.
Tell them say na so me how they come.
Some things you don't say in public.
I just don't know.
You don't tell come say na so would they come. You don't know how they come.
I don't need introduction. You have seen them. You have seen them.
Say welcome to the show. You know.
If you want to tell them how they come, you tell them say see how they come.
This is how I normally come every 11 o'clock for night. That's how they always come. But don't be saying we come together. How now? Do you know Shakaras come alone? Do you know how they come, baby?
Hey, no, if they want to talk of person come when they feel use do something. What be they useful?
Wow, go away.
Now one thing, no, complete thing.
I don't forget that they carry you go. Where you go, Grandma can hit you, man. Okay, no problem. Topic for the day.
I beg, matter what talk about today. It is sensitive, I beg. That's why we just come today. No, it's sensitive.
Okay.
Yes, today on I say, if possible, say person will not get good character or good relationship with his parents. Man put it like this: person will not get good relationship with his parents. Go fit make a very good husband or wife. No matter what I want to make we touch light, I put today be that. You know, get good relationship with your parents while growing up, even till you reach that stage of say you won't marry. If possible, say you go make good husband or wife. Because I believe say they say character is in anything we are doing.
No, but character, no bring the word character because relationship with your parents no, it's not about character.
It has to do with
no.
Also.
Let me. I like us both define things well. For instance, now. If your father they don't abandon your mom, see, or they don't want to take care of you when you day young, you understand? You don't get any relationship. You know, maybe you don't even know your father, or you don't even have the chance to spend. So it's not about character.
I'm not going to.
Well, I'm trying to
direction.
My brother, take away character from the topic.
Relationship with your parents.
Your parents.
Even at that.
What will not make you wait? What will not make you have good relationship with your parents?
I say you don't hide. We just tell you now, say. Peradventure now, your popsy.
Okay. Apart from that,
and they tell you say I'm not digressing to that area.
You're not getting my point.
No.
What if your popsy get issue? Yeah. Maybe your popsy na drunk. Okay. You know, they always come back house. I don't chase you come out.
Like
not be your fault.
No.
Yeah. Your point is clear. Showman, your point is clear and well noted, but that won't be in all cases. Yeah,
that I say relationship.
Yes, it get family. Where we say family, papa no be drunk, you know they chase anybody from anywhere. But the children or one or two of them no get good relationship with the parents.
Yes,
you understand? So I believe saying that the angle where they come from.
Yes, no, he say character. So I say no, it's not character.
I say character. They among the reason why
you want to argue this thing, Abi. You want to agree with me? Say no be character and relationship.
No. I believe say. I believe say character. What be character? Now, you know, say your parents if you get bad character, you know.
So now your character will make your father make your father get issue with you, or your father character and even cause him. Now you we want marry.
Yes,
wait. How you want to get good relationship with your parents? Okay. If you be picking where say you know they listen to them, okay. They always call them 24/7. You know they do the right things. How you want to listen to them?
About relationship.
If they tell you
for
say
instance now, you a man wey no grow up seeing his father. Maybe Popsy, Dori, Pai. Now, he doesn't have any relationship at all.
Those are not the people we are talking about.
We is part of it.
So, man,
they tell you
why they are not going towards that direction.
Let me tell you why.
Those ones are people who are privileged to deal with their parents. Now, we are talking of people that are privileged to grow up with both their father and their mother.
Come with us on that
level. I don't come with you on that level.
No, because that's what we are talking about.
This story,
we can't be talking about something else. Talking about something else.
This story why they give you now, happened. I don't tell you. I think
yes,
I told you.
That's something else. That's a misfortune.
I am now.
That's a misfortune that happened to someone.
We are now in the topic now.
Okay, let me tell you
a story now.
Okay, what if that person was fortunate to be with his parents? That's what we mean.
I'm telling you of a story of how relationships with parents now they affect marriage. This couple, I've said this story before. When we come this back in the. Yes.
I don't remember. I know how many bottles person don't drink. How many?
So the guy got married to a babe where grew up with her father. You understand? While the guy grew up with his mother, he no get father. The girl herself no get mother. You understand? Now the popsy nine raise them up. They come marry. They get issues with their marriage every now and then. Now when they can't go counseling, now they come ask and say, waiting be the issue. Then the girl say, you can imagine. Say most times the things where man suppose they do, he know they do. They say like waiting. He say, which kind of husband will be say when night reach, he go say, make she go lock the gate. Now they ask the man, say, why you always tell your wife make go lock gate? When they find out, the man say, when he grow up, because he grew up with his mother, you understand, he no get father. Now the mom see they always lock gates. So he expects saying a woman suppose they lock gate. The girl say she growing up, she grew up with her father. Now she sees a man, now they lock the gate. Now that is relationship problem. Now we don't
this story, connect to this thing.
Okay. I'm giving you a very critical
showman. So I don't lose.
Showman, listen.
As I did, so I don't lose. True, wait.
The matter where we want place today, na simple thing. You grew up with both your father and your mother together in the same house with you. But wait, wait. Now, and una no get good rapport as you take grow up. Now, he say if it make you,
better husband or better wife.
Now, I can't talk, say, one of the reasons why children know they get good rapport with parents na character.
No verse for Showman. You know, say sometimes before we come, before you come back, if you know to hold money, you first drink paraga. You first drink paraga for road.
Excuse me.
I know say wait.
I do champagne.
I know.
If I manage to be drinking what we drink here,
yes, I know.
What is that?
Before we come, now I know say you would not first say today, not to hold. Might just first drink paraga. The thing called it work differently.
What is paraga?
What
is paraga?
You don't know.
What is paraga? I don't understand what paraga means.
Forgive me.
But really, but you know, say, if you be picking where you grow with your parents, where we say you don't get good rapport with your parents, the only major reason why children, they get good rapport with their parents now, it still boils down to the fact of, say, your attitude no good, they listen to them, then they advise you, then they try to put you on the right lane, but they get out with them. But some parents can't again say, say they're no good.
Yes, now we have one point out.
Some parents have no good, where we say children have not just like to imitate them, because we see parents as our role models. You feel me? So if most things where some people they grow up to meet, now things where we say they see from their parents, now then they also can't enter their marriage.
And at times, now one issue where they happen for family, now they create distance. You go get one thing where we say as a child where you do, you get some family they don't just forget, they don't just trust you again. You dey kill trust.
Which is not all about character. Because sometimes if you get how your father feel, they show too much love to one pikin. You understand? Maybe this girl, and they show the love to you. The boy go begin this time, go begin the vex. We don't feel bad say you don't get that connection. You understand?
Then meanwhile, to hit our topic very well, to me, you know they affect. You don't even supposed to affect marriage because some people with the house, the way you take love your brother, some kind of things where your brother now feel say won't wear your shirt, you go swear to God say if you try, if me and you die, even if sneak wear.
Oh, when we come back from this clothes thing where you talk. From this
maybe we rush enter street. Maybe we enter street. Make hear waiting our men. Them guys talk on top this matter. We they come back. Man, I my show man. We give me point first. We come back.
It will work, but it won't really work.
It worked very, very well.
My marriage will work because I'm the one that married my wife, not my family.
It no go work. At the same time, it go work. I go tell you why it no go work. Before you marry, of course, you go meet your parents, let them know who you want to marry. So even if they know they're in good terms, as far as na different topic they bring come, they'll go assess the person. If they say give you go ahead, fine. But at times, if they don't give you go ahead, no mean say then they right. But my pastor go always talk, make you and the person who want to marry get patience till they approve the marriage. Because if they don't approve the marriage, either then they're wrong or right. It gets spiritual effect. The marriage no go progress because them be like small gods. So I'm doing marriage, it's not my family.
Your parents are your second god. You understand? Like let's just assume now that I want to get married now, whereby my mother is not in support, my father is not in support. I don't think it will work out because even if you bring the person into your family, nobody would like to see her. They wouldn't like to welcome her. And it will make you feel too bad.
I'm the one that will take care of my family and my wife. Not my family will take care of my home.
So either they're right or wrong. Once their mind no support the marriage, it no go work. God no go put hand for that thing.
For the fact I love my wife, I had no problem with my wife. My marriage will last very, very well. Nothing will happen.
Yes, so now welcome back. Nasi Bobozi and we day. And the matter we will talk about today, it is very, very sensitive. But the answer is simple.
Yes.
Say, if you be person say you don't get good relationship with your parents when you grow up, you go feel make good husband or wife.
Yes, I like that word sensitive because even our people for street self, the topic really they
very sensitive.
You know, people don't really know where to enter and from. So even for bar self, it's still sensitive. When we say, so people enter and from here, so people enter and from here. Now.
So now only one door, now you carry enter bus.
See what now you don't used to the enter bus. I've been driving for years. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know. I don't get it. When did you start driving?
Yeah. Okay. Now. Okay, he get 7 cars before he sent 2 drive.
No, I did not have 7. I know I had 3 cars, 2 C-class and 1 range.
You now sold them and that's so.
I sold.
Anyway. Okay. Down now for your cup. What I'm trying to say is this: you don't get good relationship with your parents. You understand? You still forget because the love way they love woman is different from that love of parents. Let me bring example of person for house where you're seeing. The reaction, they different. Maybe say your girlfriend or your wife.
But that angle, you know they carry and where one can go. If you know they allow your like me, I know they like make person wear my clothes. Even if you're my sister or my brother, if you wear a video say I don't want them again, you understand? So now. You can't carry into marriage.
If your girlfriend wear them,
you go wear them again.
You know, you know why I got the ticket now because I don't say sometimes maybe get if you come my house, nothing, you don't give her your clothes, say make you wear. But you know somehow because something where you don't grow up with, you didn't used to not sharing something. That's still based on the relationship where you don't get from your family. If you can't enter into marriage,
you can't.
You follow.
TM, do you know, except you marry person will be saying you don't get emotions for. You understand? Do you know what's emotions? If you are happier.
Do you know even with feeding of even food? Do you know even food? Man, when they like chop with person. If you come marry now, your wife go there, say, let us eat together. I go say no. You know what you don't they used to for over many years of your life?
Emotions will kill it.
You see,
how? This emotion are waiting in me.
It's so strong that you can't even define it.
How you know emotion?
I go digress small. Why I go digress small? I want talk one thing about what you talk. Person will say they always like to eat alone. Now, if you know say you they always like to eat alone, you see this thing will come marriage, na two-way thing, no be one-way thing. You guys balance them. Una supposed meet for one T junction.
Nah, so
you go come.
Yeah,
now,
okay,
if you know say you normally, you know like this super that they call ogbono. You know like to the chopper. But the woman where you want marry, he like to the chopper. If you marry a woman now, you go chop ogbono soup. You don't get choice. You don't understand because he go teach you how to chop them.
What of person when no get that good relationship with him, maybe his mother, and you know they chop him food. You know that when he marry, he don't they used to eat buka food outside food.
No.
You go be full and go inside marriage.
Listen, any man that is ready to get married will know that you go change your mindset.
No. Okay, what of a girl that does not have a fact? Good example. A girl that did not have a good rapport with the mother, most especially. So don't always stay inside kitchen. Don't know how to cook. Are you going to tell me, say when you come marry, he go know how to cook automatically?
No, already he go learn. We take talk say then go meet. He go learn am.
Why you want learn?
He go learn am.
And some, mind you, get what he talk say. The two will come and say maybe you know they like ogbolo. You come marry Igbo woman where they like this one. Say two of her or her. Say you can't like her.
They go mix or her and ogbolo.
Let me tell you, many marriage where I know they like this. Person who don't like draw soup during relationship, you don't defriend the girl. You don't tell the girls I don't like draw soup. Yeah. Some women and then they even tell you say my husband don't say like I like it, but my husband does not like it. You understand? Then just carry and they go like that. They don't they force or won't try to make that person.
But that is a very simple.
Some people take them as joy. Say,
oh no, it's not joy.
This is what I know about my man.
I have dated somebody before. I love onions. I love onions to a fault. But the girl I was dating did not like onions. And so when she's making noodles or anything, she won't put onions. It was a serious issue for me. Till today, even though I like that girl, because of onions, I cannot marry her.
Maybe
onions can bring water from your eyes.
And break your relationship.
And break your relationship, yes.
Onions broke his relationship.
Just small onions.
It no go fit work now.
It's not too possible.
It depends. I can make a good wife. It depends on the kind of things I'm going through with my parents.
Yes, now why not?
That kind of person no go be good wife.
If your parents do not torture you well, nurture you well from the beginning, it's difficult for you to manage your home when you get married. So, like the normal saying, charity begins at home. I believe that when you have a better relationship, when there's flow of relationship in your house, whatever you see in your home is what you take to your marriage. So it has a positive influence in your marriage to a reasonable extent.
You think you good mind now? Now I no concern your wahala, no concern your house now. Your house is different. You can make your house good. You don't marry, you don't come up for your parents' group. Now your husband house, now you go do good for your own house. That will not mean anything.
Your husband fits in say, because you don't like your parents, how much more will you like him and his own parents too?
Well, the truth of the matter be say, my mama will born me na my mama, my papa will born me na my papa. So even if they know they in good terms, they say even if person will born monkey, no they fit throw am. No matter how it be. So no matter how it won't take be, my parents go see even if they invest for me, I feel still be good wife. I feel that is good picking to them, and I feel still be good wife to my own in-laws.
You go marry your own husband family. Na him now, because some of your family self no go like your own progress. You understand?
You know if you be good wife because the parents no go dey happy with the woman. Unless if you are happy with your parents will be happy with you and your husband.
I'm not supposed to quarrel with my family when I think of being a good wife or not. Definitely go be because of marriage, but one way or the other along the line we go don solve the problem, and I go dey try go close to them because I no fit abandon my family. They say blood is thicker than water.
Yes. So I don't hear everything where our babes and gas talk. But make we look at this way now. More really talk and deep. Now, you dey house with your parents, they grow up. One woman talk one thing, they will say, I peak. Talk saying, now waiting you peak from when you they grow up inside your own house. You go carry some of them enter your marriage.
Of course,
of course. And you say some.
Of course, they don't talk and say charity na the girl picking where they bought for house.
Na so.
So therefore,
wait till the man picking.
So therefore,
prosper.
What you learn for house, yeah, as in what some people take talk. Say if you know the good time with your parents, and then for marriage, you know if you be better husband or better wife. But me, I still feel say the attitude where emotions go make you get. You dey be another person. You understand? Entirely.
Make I help you.
The reason why you feel comfortably give your wife 50K and send 10K to your mama.
True.
You understand? True. Because now two different
but like,
worlds.
make I also continue from your charity as well, because yes, obviously we know say everybody need to don't learn something or get good rapport from your house. Then you feel carry some things, because not everything you go carry go your this thing. And you can clearly tell. Some of us, maybe some of those are maybe our great grandparents now. When are like old school mentality, family raising system now they get. Not be those mentality our parents carry, into our own. Not even the same things where my own parents even they really do, because the world they change, the world they evolve. So new things they come in. But you see, you know if we cancel everybody come out. For instance, Omogu can't come now. Your wife don't born. Omugo. Sorry, I want you to speak your Igbo. I want to speak your Igbo. I try. Now your wife come born. You don't get good rapport with your own mother. And most times that the wife suppose they call her.
But you're already a good husband already.
No, what I'm saying is that why relationship is important. You say. You feel it all say
yes, it's very important.
You say, I beg, I don't need my mother. But when you come born now, you can't realize say you can't go call your own husband, your own in-laws to they come. Meanwhile, you might not be as free and comfortable with your in-laws like you will have been with your own mother.
Okay, I understand. But for the first time, I never really get your side where you did. It go make you make a good husband or not. I understand.
They do anything to you. At all, from what I'm saying, relationship is very key.
Yes, of course, we know.
But there's one thing called the law of gamma. If you've been there, like he talk about character-wise, you've been there very disrespectful. You know that? Because you see, I don't see many children where their parents never for once even kiss them. You know those old school parents, we don't know anything about kiss. Some mothers raise children. I don't even give them
but
kiss.
You can still learn most of, like me now. My mom my mom na dickness for deeper life.
Yeah.
My dad na very timid person.
So they don't kiss you.
They don't do those kind.
That's why you love kissing.
All these things.
Thank you.
I know how to pamper a child.
Let me tell you.
I know how to pamper a woman.
From what you are saying now,
I agree.
It's very clear that
you have learned.
No. It's very clear that in life, anything where you don't get for life, you try. That's how you must be educated to know. Say this is what I don't get. I won't try them. If my parents will not show me love for when I was small, I won't swam for my children. But if you were disrespectful to your parents, your children self go do one to you.
No,
and
you
you naturally
now because they showed you love because on recently children, 1992 children.
And then we rush go do what
they were kissing you on the forehead when you were going to school.
I cannot tell you how old I be.
Maybe we go do what else when they come.
You don't forget. Say.
Say now wait for another day.
Oh no, I bought.
Say now wait for another day.
Fuel no day, brother. Crazy no day.
I bought fuel.
And our country no good though. Every day my mother go show him face for cry fight. Reach my wedding money.
No what is your face for cry fight.
I don't know why. Reach my wedding. Poor man go to
But in another news, I bought a full tank for a girl who has nothing to do with me.
Ashigburugi.
Full tank. You know how?
You know the waiting it talk.
It doesn't mean God bless you.
No, it's a lying and go kill. And you know why I interpret that so that you go hear. I mean, no be like saying a normal incantation when they do. I want to make you hear them.
Oh, so you know video am. And guess what? No be I don't buy for inside fuels. I bought it black market. I fueled her car for 20,000 naira.
Please. If somebody that doesn't have good relationship, can they make good husband or wife and leave this?
Yes, I know relationship with your parents is very imperative, but at the same time, you can still make a good husband or wife, even with a bad relationship with your foes. But I'm not advising you to, anyway.
Borrowing from Shakara's imperative. It is very imperative that you are having a good relative and you were native because you know you'll be a thief in your own husband's house. Relationship is key. You need it. It don't mean say you know go make good husband or good wife. No. I have seen people like Shakara that we don't get good relationship. They are doing well right now. You are.
I say my parents know they exposed. I don't say I don't get good man. Don't go like my head this thing. Oh man, me go man. Show my one point me and my family. I get good relationship with my family.
Shakara say you don't get good rapport with his mommy.
I say my mom.
Good night.
Me go mommy. Me go.